We only have 4 months left and we're taking action when? Now. I seriously cannot believe we have 3 months, well, if you're including September, 4 months of the year left. The year is flying by. I feel like I say that every monthly reset, but it's just true. We have 4 months left to really get our ish together, girl. And that's why I just absolutely love these monthly resets. Having a monthly reset is something I look forward to every month because they really just set you up. And this is gonna help us get on track. We are going to be cleaning. We're going to be decluttering. Vanity, desk, closet, those spots haven't been touched in months. We are going to be reflecting on the last month, writing goals, and then we are going to have some fun and prep for fall with vision boards. That's gonna be fun. And September out here still feels like summer, so that's why I'm trying to hop in the spirit now. Fall is such a cute season and I just cannot wait to experience it all with you guys. Oh my god, it's like I haven't dusted in 80 years. Right now, I'm gonna listen to the Better You by Fernanda's podcast. My room is looking like a hot mess. I got clothes piles everywhere. And since I've cleaned and organized my room, I actually get to use my drawers fully from underneath my bed. I've been having to like use my fingers and grab it because I've had no room. Now I actually have room. I've also started a donation pile over there. Right now we are on our way to Goodwill. I'm about to go drop off that box of stuff that's my grandma's, but the 2 big overflowing trash bags full of clothes are mine. You see that polka dot robe right there? I've had that since I was like 7, 8 years old, maybe during Christmas. I remember getting that when they were handing out the Justin Bieber perfumes. It's been that long. It just makes me sad, but it feels good. Plus it's the perfect time to give out because it's fall. It's about giving. Surprisingly, Arizona's getting a storm right now. I set the mood, I got my little blankie, fuzzy socks, I got a candle. I'm ready to just sit down and self-reflect. We are going to be going through everything in our life because of this Notion template I got from a YouTuber. This literally has saved my life. It says here I have not touched this since March 16th, y'all. If you guys definitely want more information and in-depth video on this template to help you on your journey, then let me know in the comments. I will most absolutely make a video because I love this thing. So the questions it has on here that you can think to yourself are, what were my wins this month? It doesn't have to be anything major. It can be like something simple as you've been getting up earlier, you've been getting outside more, you've been getting better at your job, you've been working out more, you've been drinking more water. For me, I got better at lashing, like isolating, direction, and all of that jazz. Recently, I just graduated from a lash class. It's actually on my channel if you're interested, and I've been getting better at it, and I'm starting to take clients. I'm so excited, and I've been getting better at my channel by uploading once a week. So what were my challenges this month? So I put like negativity, me being so hard on myself and not really taking care of myself, like having like an accurate sleep schedule, because that's not good. I've been hopping off of my healthy eating habits. Next is what I'm grateful for. I got my lashes, nails, and hair done. I got a movie script sent to me to audition to try out, which sadly I didn't get, but I'm grateful for it because I had the chance to be in it. She noticed me, she sent me it, and I loved my audition tape. I felt I did so good. I was really proud of it. I'm just gonna count that as a win for me. It is a stepping stone to getting out there. Next is what are my biggest lessons I've learned. Start being a no girl, not a yes girl. You know, when things come up, it's very hard to say no, especially when it's like your friends, your family, but you really have to prioritize yourself to get ish done. Time is valuable, especially if you're busy like me. Another example that I live by is work on things that your future self will thank you for. What can I change or improve this month is just getting better at my time management. Something simple like that. But those are the questions for your monthly reflection. Now that we have the monthly reflection done, I am going to be working on my future self, and because there is so much that goes into this template, I am just going to fill this out, put some music on, and just really get in the zone. The last thing we gotta do before we start preparing for fall is we gotta figure out the goals for the month of September. Now, don't put too much because it's then going to be overwhelming. I'm just gonna write it on a little note here. Just put it somewhere visible where I can see it. Now, make sure you are realistic. Do not put like, oh, I want to get $10,000 this month. Make sure you put realistic goals, and then make sure you put underneath it how you're going to achieve that goal. So for my September goals, I always try to have a main goal for each category. So my main one for career, which I have two for this one because they're both equally important to me. I really want to hit 1,000 subs on this channel. So if you are not subscribed already, I remember on my spring vision board, I actually had a girl like having a cake. I actually think I still have the vision board picture. I do. She was having like a spring like picnic here. I wanted that as like a 1,000 celebration because for hers is 20K. I wanted mine for 1K, but that didn't happen. I was inconsistent during spring, but now I've been getting consistent and things have been going. And fall is the perfect time for content because all the seasonal. So I just really feel like from here on out for the rest of the year till January, February, it's my time. My second goal is I want to start taking paid clients for my lashing. My next goal for finance is I want to start savings because I do not have one, and that's been on my mind forever, and pay a big chunk to CC, aka credit card. Another goal from this month is I want to start going to the gym because I just got done talking with my friend today about going to the gym together. So I want to start going back to the gym this month. Alright, there we go. I got my goals list. I am so excited. I'm gonna put it right here so I can see it every day. The last thing we need to do to prep for fall is to make our fall vision board. And I'm so excited. This is super easy. You can just go on Pinterest, of course, look up fall vision board, and there will be plenty if you need to get ideas. This one is super cute. It has the pumpkin trees going on the walks, pumpkin spice. I honestly, for my vision board, I plan on going to a pumpkin patch. I'm gonna get this picture. It's super cute. I'm gonna put it in my fall folder. Fall treats. Look at this. I want that. The snacks, the socks, the move. I need that. Oh my god, I want this. I really want to see what Gilmore Girls is all about. Everybody always talks about it during the fall. Like, oh my gosh, that would be so cute. To have a little fall picnic and just read a book one morning. Yes. Like a little solo date. That would be so cute. It's done. Look at how cute, you guys. I love it. Look at how cute. We got the fall sleepover, we got the fall picnic, the bucket list, the pumpkin patch, and the fall walks, and just being out in nature. My bubbo. I love it. Alright guys, that is the end of the September reset. I hope this inspired you guys to start hopping on the monthly reset trend if you haven't already. I promise you, it is the best thing ever. It saves you so much time. It gets your mind straight. It helps you look forward to the month. It sets you up for success. It's amazing to just really just let everything out, because as I've been saying this whole entire video, we only have 4 months left and we take an action when? Now. If you made it to the end of this video and it inspires you to start your monthly reset, go ahead and comment some leaves so I know you are ready for all the fall content I have planned for you guys. I am genuinely so excited. I respond to all my comments because I love talking to you. You guys are my besties. If you love hanging out with me, make sure you subscribe. Help me reach my goal. I love you so much, and we'll see you in another video. Bye.